How to enable easy mode on WeChat. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable easy mode on the WeChat app. Easy mode is a great feature that simplifies the WeChat interface, making it easier to use, especially if you're new to the app or prefer a cleaner layout. I'll walk you through all the steps in just a few minutes, so let's get started. First things first, open the WeChat app. Once you're in the app, simply go to the Me tab, which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now simply find settings and tap on it. Here you can find various options, but we're looking for easy mode. You can simply find it under garden mode. You can find easy mode. When you tap on easy mode, you can find an option that says enable. Simply click on it. Once enabled, the WeChat interface will switch to a simpler layout, the larger icons, and a more straightforward design. Once you've turned on easy mode, you'll immediately notice the difference in the user interface. Everything is much larger and easier to navigate. And that's it, you've successfully enabled easy mode on WeChat, making it easier and more comfortable to use the app.